Welcome to Ching's Secret, the real way to tasty and instant Chinese. Hi, मैं हूँ एकता और मेरे साथ है मेरे friend और chef विकास. So how are you, Vikas?
Very fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm completely all right. अच्छा Vikas, tell me what are we going to cook now?
Now we are cooking some chili potatoes. These are deep fried potatoes in a very spicy and flavorful sauce.
I love spicy food.
For this we need some diced potatoes coated with corn flour. But these potatoes need to be parboiled.
What is parboil?
Parboiling means boiling the potatoes till they are 90% cooked. Exactly. Don't overboil them, otherwise they break.
Sorry Vikas, I'll keep on asking you questions because cooking के बारे में मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
Please do that. और आराम से धीरे-धीरे, slowly and slowly, keep putting the potato dices in hot oil. Do you know how to cook?
No, not at all.
Do you know how to stir?
Okay, I can try. Is it?
Take a little. Yes.
Can I?
Yes.
अच्छा ये कितनी देर तक हमें?
Till they turn golden brown.
Okay.
Let me help you with that.
Please, all yours.
Turn them golden brown, nice golden brown and crisp.
Yeah, they are actually. It's almost.
It's actually turning golden
brown. Yeah.
Again, I'll say the oil should not be very hot, otherwise you'll burn the potatoes.
Yeah, I need to be very careful.
Looks like they're done now.
Isn't this thing very scary, the oil and
For you,
frying?
because you don't know how to cook. मेरे साथ रहेगी तो सीख जाएगी.
Very soon.
And put away the oil.
What's next?
Next is heavy bottom frying pan and 2 tablespoons of oil. First goes in some capsicum, some onions.
Can I stir it?
Do that.
I think I'm enjoying this now.
And some carrots. You need to stir it. Don't get afraid. You need to stir it properly.
This way?
Hold this. Stir it properly. Hold it like you hold a chocolate bar.
Okay.
Exactly. Keep stirring it until the vegetables tend to turn slightly brown from the corners, like the capsicum is turning now.
Yeah, even the onions.
And the onion becomes transparent. Add 450 ml of water, room temperature water. This is exactly equal to 3 cups. And then we'll add Ching's Secret paneer chili sauce mix in this.
It's not that difficult. You also try at home.
You need to keep stirring it while I add the powder.
Okay. Or if I don't stir it, it might turn into the
lumps. I'll add some more water in this. Keep stirring it and let the sauce boil. Can I do it for you?
Yeah, please.
You need to stir it properly like this.
I'm learning.
You're learning fast.
Should I add it?
See how we need to add it. Like this.
Okay.
One by one. Slowly. And mix it properly.
Okay, it looks good. It is smelling good.
Tastes good also. Spicy.
So when can I taste?
It's ready. Now it's all yours.
Okay. I'm going to miss you all, but can't help it.
Spicy, flavorful chili potatoes are ready.
Because it's yummy. I'm sure he will have some more recipe to share with us. To know more, please tune in to Ching's Secret, the real way to tasty instant Chinese.
Grams diced potatoes, 1 cup corn flour, oil to deep fry, 1 medium carrot sliced, 1 medium onion diced, 1 medium capsicum diced, 3 cups of water, 1 Ching's Secret Szechuan sauce mix, spring onion chopped,